everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to TD Bank employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in mod.ras.tdbank.ca and press enter on your keyboard. On the next page, you'll be able to see two options. Select your location from the options and give it a click. Now, you'll end up in the sign-in area for your employee account. Type in your username associated with your employee account and then your password on the next field. And finally, click on the sign-in button to access your employee account on TD Bank. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.